Morning, sir. What is your name, sir?
My name is Prince Ikechukwu.
From where, sir?
From Iziagbe, Okwa.
Here in Africa.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. What really brought you here?
I got an information from the church that there are medical attentions that came from USA. So we decided to come so that also we'll be attended to. That is why I'm here.
What is your benefit in this program, sir?
Well, it's a very big benefit, I may say. At least you can say I've already gotten my card just for the doctors to also to attend to me to see what exactly is wrong with me. So at least many people have benefited a lot receiving free medication, and most people who are less privileged, who cannot take care of themselves, they have come here and they have received free medication, and I think that is a very big benefit for.
Sir, is it your first time of coming here?
Yes, actually.
What do you have to tell the whole world concerning the charitable work that's going on in Mater Hospital today?
Well, to me, I will say to the whole world that God has already proposed this to happen, and it was not by mistake. And we are also saying that no matter in how anyone can also put effort in this organization to continue moving forward, I will say let them put it on, even though it's in the aspect of prayer, so that this thing can continue from year to year. That is just what I will say to them.
You are welcome, sir.
Thank you.